magandang araw sa inyo mga dads. Nandito tayo ngayon sa NSCR Marilao. Kuha lang tayo ng konting update kung ano na status ng ating mga stations. By the way, this is Camshot ni Ed. Sa mga bago lang sa aking channel, subscribe naman ang channel natin para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod nating videos. Okay, medyo lakaran lang natin ng konti itong Marilao station na to. Ayan. Itong side na to yung papunta yan ng Valenzuela. Tapos ito naman papunta yan ng pa-north. Ayan, pa-Bukawi. Ayan, medyo wala pa eh. Dito lang muna tayo mag-focus sa ginagawang Marilao sa tabi ng SM. Ayan. Okay, after nitong SM Marilao or NSCR Marilao, ang gagawin naman natin, pupunta naman tayo ng May Kawayan. Subukan natin kung kaya natin i-drone mula dito Marilao hanggang May Kawayan. Tara, samahan nyo ako, palipad tayo.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Ang Marilao Station ay double island platform and 4 rail tracks.
Fake a smile until I look away.
Ano ang ibig sabihin ng double island platform? Eto, papakita ko sa inyo yung design talaga ng Marilao Station. Yan, tingnan nyo na lang. Tapos ito naman sa MRT station, kung familiar kayo sa Misio Boulevard station, ganun ang double island platform. Bali, ganun din ang mangyayari dito sa Marilao Station. Hindi sa NSCR, sa buong NSCR project, hindi lang Marilao Station ang double island platform. Nandyan din ang Kalumpit Station. Ayan, makikita nyo sa picture. Meron pa. Ito naman, Angeles Station. Meron pa yung sa Clark. Yan yung mga double island platform.
You'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
Ito namang aerial shot na to, dito itatayo yung isang cast-in C2. Wala pa ongoing pala yung construction Bali, magkabilang dulo yan ng NSCR Marilao. Meron niyang cast-in C2.
as you fade away. As you fade away.
Itong side naman na to, ito ay ang papuntang Bukawi Station. Yan. Wala pang viaduct na nailalagay Pero ongoing na yan, malapit na yan. Hintay-hintay na lang natin.
I felt my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Okay, puntahan naman natin ang launching gantry ng Marilao. Yan ang launching gantry. Yan, kulay blue na yan.
As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Okay, puntahan naman natin ang launching gantry ng Maykawayan. Konting-konti na lang niya mag-aabot na yun. Yan, makikita niyo yung cast in situ. Yan, mamaya mayroon tayong kuha niya na nasa baba.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really noticed.
Yan naman ang cast in situ. Ang ibig sabihin, manual silang gagawa ng girder. Hindi gagamit ng launching gantry. Ang launching gantry, ito yung kulay blue na nakikita nyo kadalasan sa mga ginagawang station. Yun ang launching gantry. Maglalagay sila ng hulmahan dyan para doon na mag-rebar at magbuhos ng semento. Pag natapos na yung cast in situ na yan, ito sample lang to, hindi ito yung actual na design talaga sa Marilao. Yan, ito, ganyan lang yung magiging itsura. Yan, ito sa picture.
What you want? With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of mind.
Ito naman ang Maykawayan Viaduct. Puntahan natin, gamitan natin ang drone mula Marilao hanggang Maykawayan. Hindi ko binaba ang drone ko dito eh. May nagdadrive sa akin habang nagdo-drone ako. Yan.
Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my
tayo sa NSCR Maykawayan.
And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Okay, good afternoon mga dads ulit. Nandito na tayo sa NSCR Maykawayan. Nag-drone tayo mula Marilao hanggang Maykawayan. Kinaya naman. Buti wala naging problema. Naglakad-lakad lang tayo ng konti dito. Yung papunta ng Valenzuela, wala pang nailalagay na girders. Dito pa lang, papunta pa lang ng Marilao. Diretso na yan hanggang Marilao. Okay, once again mga dad, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, pakisubscribe na lang ang subscribe button at paklik na rin ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga susunod nating videos.